So here we have my next DIY Dynaco project, and this is how I got it. Actually, I got it a little bit different than this. I had this relay that was inside of it, which I took out, and also a Buckshee board that they had in there. I think it might have been some sort of power on or power off relay just to prevent it from popping or discharging, but anyway, I stripped all of that out. I made it back to original, as if it came from the factory. Took out all the wiring and the harnesses and all that sort of stuff and reverted it. So I'm starting basically at a unmolested, other than that modification, Dynaco Stereo 150 amplifier. As you can see, it's in lots of tape and stuff that I'll be cleaning up and everything, and I'll also be changing this little board here. But anyway, just to show that it's actually in working condition. So here we go. And it sounds pretty darn good. There you go. There's the other one that I did. Got another tape deck on the works here, but this is the second stereo 150 that I did, and I updid the smoothing caps and the whole PC36 board and everything. So my plan is to do exactly the same with this one. So I'll be cleaning this up and making it nice and fresh looking, and turn this down. I got it going through this Bluetooth through a digital player here into a tube preamp that I have that I use for bench testing. And you can see it sounds really good. However, it is old, it's dated. Who knows when something's going to give out on it, so I'm going to change all the capacitors, electrolytics, and otherwise, all of the diodes, and all of the semiconductors. And this thing should be as good as new after I've done the work. And as you can see, it's no slouch, just in the condition that I got it in. So there you have it. Parts are on order. I'm going to start stripping down the PC36 board here pretty quick, just after I've proved that everything's working good, and we'll get her up to modern standards, hopefully. And maybe it'll even give my tubey amp a little run for its money. So we'll see. So there you go. Thanks for watching.